So when you created a new document in Canva, the way to include shapes and create shapes on your canvas is if you go to the Elements panel, this is where you can find everything that you need, and it gives you kind of a few quick options to pick from initially. If you scroll down slightly, you'll see there are stickers, photos, all that sort of thing, and you've got frames. I'll explain this in a separate video, but simply if you need to use a shape, all you need to do is hit on that shapes menu and you can pick and choose from a pretty big list of shapes that you need to use for different purposes. Say for example you use like a rounder rectangle, you can't really edit this shape too much, but what you can do is make this bigger, scale it, and kind of shape it to how you need it to be. If you need to use, say for example, like a line and adjust the stroke of the line, you can go up to this line style menu here, and this is where you can edit its line weight. So you can go all the way down to 1 and make things a little bit more nicer. Yeah, it's pretty easy, pretty straightforward. If you need to use like a different shape, you can go and type in what you're after in the search bar. So if you go maybe octagon, you can see that Canva will give you your shape pretty much as you need. Maybe we need something a little bit nicer, maybe we'll go diamond, and it will be there as well. To change the color of your shapes, all you need to do is hit color and you can pick and choose. Any shape or any element that you pick from Canva's elements menu, mainly these shapes and whatnot, these can all be colored, and a stroke can be added and a border, that sort of thing. You can't edit the shape, but you can obviously resize and warp them to how you need them to be. But yeah, these shapes are all edited in terms of color and whatnot. Yeah, and you can pick and choose what you need from the elements menu and just search for whatever you kind of need from here. There's a whole bunch of stuff that it gives you, but this is the easiest way to kind of do it. If you need to change the color of the background on your Canva canvas, you can just hit the white background and you'll see this background color, and then this is where you can kind of pick and choose. Say for example we want a gradient, this is where you can pick and choose that also. Okay, let me know if you've got questions.